Hi, it's Daniel from Snapshades and you're watching Video Installation B2. 2 magnetic mounts on the top frame with divider and clip. For this installation, you'll receive 4 snapshades, 4 magnetic mounts, 2 clip, 2 alcohol wipes, and also a storage bag. Step 1, locate magnetic attach points on the shade. Glide the magnetic mounts on the top frame to get an attachment. Step 2, insert the snapshades into the shade frame. Locate the 2 magnetic points for installation. Step 3, clean door surface where mounts and clips needs to be adhered to. Use a microfiber cloth to remove the leftover residue. Step 4, adhere the mounts and clip. Peel off adhesive tape on the back of the mount. Install the magnetic mounts adjacent to the shade. Apply pressure on the magnetic mount. Step 6, install the bottom of the shade to where the glass meets the window sill. In some models, there might be a gap for you to insert your shades to. Step 7, pop the top snap shade frame under the top door frame. Make sure the magnets in the shade attach to the magnetic mount gap. Step 8, install the quarter panel clip by peeling off the tape. Attach that to the vertical column and apply pressure. Step 9, install the quarter panel shade into the gap of the clip. To complete the installation, we will perform a slam test. And the installation is complete.